Exercise 11.6. Question number 1. Express in milliliters. So number 1, 9 liter. So first of all, we will see the formulas. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 milliliter equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. So we have to express in milliliter. So first one is they are given in questions liter. 9 liter, we have to convert liter into milliliter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So in question we are having 9 liter. So what we will do, we will multiply 9 multiply by 1000 equal to 9000 milliliter. Now number 2, 7 liter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. In question we are having 7 liter equal to 7 multiply by 1000 milliliter. So we will get answer 7000 milliliter. Now number 3, 6 liter 273 milliliter. So 273 milliliter is already there in question. So we have to convert this liter into 6 liter into milliliter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So we are having 6 liter equal to 6 multiply by 1000 milliliter. So we will get 6000 milliliter. In question we are having plus 273 milliliter. So our answer is 6273 milliliter. Now number 4, 42 liter 350 milliliter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So we are having 42 liter equal to 42 multiply by 1000 milliliter. We will get 42,000 milliliter. In question we are having 350 milliliter. That we will add 42,000 milliliter plus 350 milliliter equal to 42,350 milliliter is our answer. Now question number 2, express in liters and milliliters. So this we have to convert in liters and milliliters. So number 1 is 800 milliliter. So 1 milliliter equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. So we are having 800 milliliter equal to 800 divided by 1000 liter. So what we will get here, down we have to divide, down 1000 is there. So 1000 is having how many zeros? 3 zeros. This we have to convert in decimal. So after decimal point we want 3 digits. So 800 is the 3 digit. So before that we will write here 0. So our answer is 0 liter 800 milliliter. Now number 2, 8179 milliliter. So 1 milliliter equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. So we are having 8179 milliliter equal to 8179 upon 1000 liter. So this we have to write in a decimal. So after decimal point we want 3 digits. So 179. So before decimal we will write 8. So 8.179 liter. So we have to separate this liter and milliliter. So before the decimal point is liter and after the decimal point is milliliter. So 8 liter 179 milliliter. Now number 3, 1419 milliliter. So 1 milliliter equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. So we are having 1419 milliliter equal to 1419 upon 1000 liter. So we will get 1.419 liter. So we have to write this in separate. So 1 liter 419 milliliter. Now number 4, 1000 milliliter. So 1 milliliter equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. So we are having 1000 milliliter equal to 1000 upon 1000 liter. So this will call, zeros will be cut. So we will get 1 liter. So our answer is 1 liter. Now question number 3. Add 14 liter 204 milliliter plus 33 liter 309 milliliter plus 65 liter 105 milliliter. So first we will write here, we will arrange this number in a vertical column, liter, milliliter. So first one is 14 liter 204 milliliter, then 33 liter, then 309 milliliter, then 65 liter 105 milliliter. So 4 plus 9 13, so 13 plus 5 18, so 8 we will write down, 1 will be carried over, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6, then 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 5 12, so 2 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 6 11. So our answer is 112 liter 618 milliliter. Now number 2, 74 liter 9 milliliter plus 39 liter 9 milliliter plus 9 liter 309 milliliter. So this we will arrange in a vertical column, liter, milliliter. 74 liter 9 milliliter, 39 liter 9 milliliter, then 9 liter 309 milliliter. So this we will add. So here no digits are there, so we will write here 0. So 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 9 27, so 7 we will write down, 2 will be carried over. So 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 0 2. Now 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 3 3, 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 9 22, so 2 we will write down, other 2 will be carried over. So 7 plus 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 3 12. So our answer is 122 liter 327 milliliter. Now question number 4, subtract 22 liter 895 milliliter from 45 liter 175 milliliter. So here we will arrange the digits in vertical column. So liter, milliliter, so 45 liter 175 milliliter, then 22 liter 895 milliliter. This we have to subtract. So 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 9 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 0 1. So 1 will become 0 and 7 will become 17. So 17 minus 9 8. Now 0 minus 8 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 8 2, 4 minus 2 2, 4 minus 2 2. So our answer is 22 liter 280 milliliter. Now number 2, 12 liter 439 milliliter from 28 liter 109 milliliter. Liter, milliliter, 28 liter 109 milliliter, 12 liter 439 milliliter. This we have to subtract. Now 9 minus 9 0, 0 minus 3 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 1. So this 1 will become 0 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 3 7. Now 0 minus 4 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 8. So 8 will become 7 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 2 5, 2 minus 1 1. So our answer is 15 liter 670 milliliter. Now question number 5. Sonia bought 6 liter milk in the morning, 3 liter 350 milliliter at noon, and 5 liter 350 milliliter in the evening. How much milk did she buy in the whole day? Okay, so what we will do? We will add. So first we will start with the statement. So Sonia bought in the morning equal to 6 liter milk. Now in the evening, at noon how much she bought? 3 liter 350 milliliter. Now in the evening, five liter 350 milliliter. So we have to find how much she buy in the whole day. So what we will do? We will add. So we will write here liter, milliliter. 6 liter. So in milliliter we will write 0, 0. Then 3 liter. Then 350 milliliter. Then 5 liter. Then 350 milliliter. So we will add 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. So 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Now 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. So our answer is Sonia bought 14 liter 700 milliliter milk in whole day. Now question number 6. In a milk shop there is 272 liter 350 milliliter milk. The shopkeeper sold 185 liter 900 milliliter till 12 noon. Find how much milk is left. Okay, total how much milk is there? 272 liter 350 milliliter milk is there in a shop. The shopkeeper sold 185 liter 900 milliliter till noon, 12 noon. So we have to find how much milk is left. So we will start with statement. So in a shop there is milk equal to 272 liter 350 milliliter milk. So shopkeeper sold, how much is sold? Shopkeeper sold equal to 185 liter 900 milliliter. So we have to find how much milk left. So milk left equal to question mark. So what we will do? We will subtract. So we will write first liter, milliliter, 272 liter 350 milliliter minus 185 liter 900 milliliter. So 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 3 minus 9 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 2. So this 2 will become 1 and 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 9, 4. Now 1 minus 5 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 7. 7 will become 6 and this 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 5, 6. 6 minus 8 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 2. 2 will become 1 and 6 will become 16. So 16 minus 8, 8. 1 minus 1, 0. So 86 liter, 450 milliliter milk is left with shopkeeper.